Hi, my name is Amira binti Rohaini. My meeting number is 18027.
Hi, my name is Tan Zemin and my metric number is 180353.
Hello, my name is Nur Kuain binti Amka and my metric number is 180308.
My name is Aaron Michael, matrix number 176349.
And I am Siti Fatima Azahra binti Ibrahim. My metric number is 180306.
My name is Yim Yanim and my matrix number is 180304.
Okay, so today we have our third case study, which is about a horse weighing at 400 kilograms eating bananas, which is 20 kgs. So
that's a lot.
Yeah, it's quite rare to see horse eating bananas, right? I mean, usually we hear horse eating
Carrots.
carrots and apples. Right?
Apples?
Yeah, apples too. It's quite rare to see bananas, but actually it's quite common to have people, they claim that they feed their horses with bananas probably, about twice a week, some sort like that. Okay, so based on some research that I've done, it shows that horses only eat about 2 to 2.5% of their body weight. So in other words, meaning a horse which is 400 kilograms only eats about 8 to 10 kilograms. So according to our case study today, we have a horse eating 20 kilograms of bananas.
Wow.
So
I think I will because this is about bananas. So I'm going to explain to you what is banana actually in this thing. Banana is an edible fruit, botanically a berry, produced by several kinds of large herbaceous flowering plants in the genus Busa. The fruit is variable in size, color, and firmness, but is usually elated and curved with soft flesh rich in starch, covered with a green, which may be green, yellow, red, purple, or brown when ripe. But I think the most important thing for me to say in this case study is the main components of bananas. There are many things in 1 to 100 gram banana, so just bear with me for a while.